On the Dow, potential breakout point 125. Not looking for a huge move per se. And I do want to reduce the risk as quickly as possible if it triggers. It's got to happen fast. Looking for a short at 125. I want to try to get down to like 115. So I'm short on the Dow at 125. And it immediately triggers in and pops back up. So there's an exit at 135. I'm not willing to let this float back too much. Yeah, I'm out. I wanted to see it flush much faster than that. It triggered it in, trapped it, and popped back up again. So quick little trade, small loss, but it's not worth the risk of hanging on to it. Short again on the Dow, secondary attempt. This has a stop at 141. Objective on this is a little bit wider, back down to structural support 26,104 to 107, just ahead of that. Are they going to double trap me right at the start? All right, Dow, you vindictive SOB. Jeez. All right, taken out on the Dow again. Now, again, if this Dow trade fails, then I will be done on the Dow for the rest of the day. Stop is at 153. Kind of want to gun for a 2-to-1 on the short side here, 26,090 as the target for the Dow. But I do want to lock in the 1-to-1 at 26,11, 111, 26,111. Had a potential short on crude oil. Crude oil is, I mean, it's starting to get really grindy, and I'm starting to get concerned about that $64 mark. That $64 mark seems to be propping the market up a little bit. Now we have a twin reversal. They tried to get under it, immediately failed. If you're going to shorten now, you'd really want to see it crack through 64.01 fast or get out of the way. So there is a possible short on crude, yes, but you're going to want to play it cautious because if it starts showing signs of support at 64.01, we could see another bounce back up. So let me get the risk reward fib on the screen here. And there we go. 1-to-1's at 26,111. And I'm gunning for a 2-to-1 at 26,090. See if they can pop through that 26,111. They're testing it. So stop is at break even. Risk is completely off the table now. Now we got to see if they want to be kind enough to allow us to break through that 26,111 and go for a 2-to-1. Looks like they're going to vindict me out of this one. Now, if you want to play it a little bit more aggressive on the Dow, you could lift your stop a little bit to allow for that break-even test. But at that point, yeah, I'm out again. The Dow does not want to allow that slide through. So, and again, it's not worth the risk. Once you hit your 1-to-1, that's my objective. I want to get more than that. So, 10 o'clock news. Again, it's minor news, not the biggest thing in the world. Buyers never trigger on crude. That is a big sign. Buyers never triggered on crude. So this is their attempt to potentially break down. You're looking at 64. So 64 for a potential breakdown below the lows here. This is their attempt. Now, in this case, if it does break down, we could very well get something more than that. But if it fails back above this bear bar, I'm not interested. Again, with this type of back and forth on top of large support, it's not worth holding large risk. Actually, let me get my fib, please. Can I click it? Thank you. All right, so objective is a larger flush down to half deviation 75, but I do want to lock in more if possible. And now we have actual risk putting a target at 63.78. So looking to see if crude can flush through the bottom. We have an actual risk target at 63.78. 1-to-1 actual risk is at 63.89, which I would like to lock in. Actually, sorry, actual risk is one tick more than that. So 64.12. Now we still have 3 minutes left on this candle. Still stuck inside the wedge. They're trying to break down through the bottom of the wedge right here. So we have multiple breakout points. We just have to see them hit the gas. Bad pun. So 63.88 is the 1-to-1, which I would like to lock in, but looking for more down to 76 if we can catch that breakdown. Getting the breakdown to the low a day, see if they can flush through the bottom. Nice continuation breakdown. Came one tick away from the 1-to-1 actual risk. Testing now, so stop is at break even, risk is off the table. Now let's see if we can flush below this. If we can get down to like 85, I want to lock in 88 and see if we can gun for 76. Stop is in, 88. If we can get down below 80, I want to lock in 82. Stop in at 82. Come on, crude, flush. Get the target. I got 1.5 to 1. 1.5 to 1. Not the full 2 to 1, but we tried. All right, finally. Good Lord. Gotta fight tooth and nail just to get a damn breakdown. So that one trade, and this is the importance of good risk reward, especially when you're trading smaller accounts. This is the importance of keeping very good risk reward. That one trade overcame 3 losses. We're now positive on the day. One trade. One trade just overcame 3 losses. That's the importance of good risk reward.